Hi everyone, you're on the Clay Camilla channel and today I'm going to sculpt prototype from chapter 5 of Poppy Playtime. The prototype, Experiment 1006, is a massive cybernetic hybrid combining organic and mechanical elements. In this chapter, it is shown in full. The upper part of its body is a humanoid torso resembling a jester. Its face is a cracked porcelain mask with a frozen wide smile and square teeth. One eye socket is empty and dark. In the other, there is a small, glowing, orange-yellow mechanical pupil. On its head is a worn jester's cap with 3 points and bells. He is dressed in a torn blue tailcoat and a red bow tie. Within his elongated, gaunt torso, a faintly glowing energy source can be seen in the abdominal area. He has long skeletal metal arms with sharp claws. The lower part of his body merges with a massive spider-like mechanical frame equipped with several long jointed metal legs like a mechanical hexapod. Hidden in the abdominal section are 3 additional retractable arms, parts of other toys, such as the arm of Mommy Long Legs, the arm of Kissy Missy, and the arm of Huggy Wuggy. This makes him not just a monster, but a living embodiment of the factory's experiments, intelligent, assembled from broken things, and literally made up of victims. That's the awesome character I ended up with. Write in the comments who I should sculpt in the next video. I read almost all the comments and try to highlight the most original ideas. I hope you won't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.
I built us a home and kept us safe. And you repaid me by bringing in an outsider. Plotting to
destroy
the only heaven you or I
will ever get. I had hoped your time in the case
would help you see
reason.